Hello, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I will show you how to adjust screen brightness on your iPhone 17 Pro Max. So you can do this manually whenever you want or let your iPhone handle it automatically. So first of all, let's talk about the manual brightness control. You have to swipe down from the top right corner of your screen like this to open Control Center, and you will see the brightness slider that looks like a sun icon, and you can drag it up or drag it down to adjust the brightness. Yes, so this was manual brightness control. And what about automatic? If you don't want to keep adjusting your brightness by yourself, okay, so let me reset all those settings. If you don't want to do that manually, you can let your iPhone do it for you. So go to settings and scroll to accessibility, and then you want to go to display and text size section and scroll down until you see an option auto brightness. So you want to turn it on, and your iPhone will use the light sensor to change brightness depending on your surrounding. For example, it will dim in the dark to save your eyes, and vice versa, brighten up outdoors so that you can see your screen. And that's it. You can choose manual control for quick adjustments or keep auto brightness on your iPhone. Whatever you want, it's all up to you. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.